Hello guys, welcome to another video lesson. In this lesson I will discuss with you about a recent trade that I executed and I made a total of 3R. Okay, that's the silver pair XAG or XAG USD. Okay, XAG USD. Okay, anyway guys, let me show you. As you can see that first of all we had these we had these daily supply zone. Okay, after these supply, after this order block here, you can see that price dropped. These two are ERC candle, and this candle actually taken out this low, and because of that this is our bellied order block. Okay, and of course price went to this level. When price hit this level, I went to 4 hours chart. You can see that there was a 4 hours chart, and you can see in that from the daily level in the 4 hours chart, you can see this order block here. Okay, after this order block, 1 2 3 ERC candle that taken out these lows, all this low here. Okay, and also if you draw a trend line, if you draw a trend line like this, you can see that this trend line was broken. Okay, with the ERC candle, and because of that I placed the order here. Okay, and you see after some fair value, price suddenly pushed to this order block, and then price started falling. Okay, and today I made 3R. Okay, anyway guys, now we had another order block here, but price never went there, and price now made another order block, another imbalance. I'm going to place the order, and I don't know what will be the result, but I will just follow my trading rules. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like the video, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.